Holy moly. Alright. Howdy folks, Grandpa Greenwald, old man with a pan. Today we're going to make some Chili Verde. I have these peppers in the oven. We got Anaheim chilies, and I have the Tomatillo pepper. I'm going to leave those out, but I'm going to put the Anaheims in this cooler and seal them up and let them continue to cook. And they'll cook in their own steam, and these peels will come. The peels will come right off of those babies. Okay. There you go. So look, those are sealed up. They'll be sealed up down in the cooler. Like I say, they'll seal in that bag, and they'll sit there, and those peppers they'll get yummy, 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 yummy. These, the tomatillos, I'm going to let those just sit here and cool off. We're going to use some of those in the food processor here in just a second. So let's let these cool off. I'll move them over. Move them over and let them set a little bit. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and get started here. I have 2 1/4 pounds. The recipe calls for 2 pounds, but 2 1/4 pounds pork shoulder, cubed, 2-inch chunks, 1.5 inch and 2-inch chunks. And we're going to put this in the pan. I had the pan lubed. We're going to put this in the pan and brown it a little bit. We'll just let that get started. As a matter of fact, I'll put the lid on it. It's one of my favorite foods in the entire world. Is it the Chili Verde or asado de puerco? Just a pork stew type meal. So we'll let that get started. We'll come back and stir it up in a second. All right, let's see what this pork stew. Whoa! All right. We're getting nice and browned in there. I'm going to go ahead and put some of the spices in there. I have a teaspoon of Kosher Salt, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of Cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of Coriander, and 1/4 teaspoon of Cayenne pepper. And that's all just measured out. We'll sprinkle that in. Boy, it's smelling delicious. It's smelling really, really, really good. I'll let that sit in there. And just there brown a little bit more. I have that fire turned down pretty good, so. Okay, in the meantime, let's do something else. All right, I got my food processor out. We'll put the tomatillos down in there, just like they are. There's a ton of seeds in these babies. Okay, put the tomatillos in, and we're going to go ahead and put our garlic. I have 6 cloves of chopped garlic. We'll go ahead and chop that up with the tomatillos. And I need to put a little bit of broth in there, but I have some chicken broth, some Knorr cubes, dehydrated or hydrating in there. So let's see what we got. All right. plenty. Those will be fine. Those will be fine. We just got to chop up. They're going to go into the pan there. Check out our pork. Pork is looking really good. Okay. So I have one whole yellow onion, kind of diced, not real small, but we'll put that in the pan. All right, well, let's let that cook for just a couple minutes, soften up the onions a little bit, and then we're gonna finish this baby up. Okay, there's the rest of my chicken stock, and the tomatillos and garlic. Put that baby in there. Simple enough. Look at that. Now when this cooks, in these little pieces of, you see these little pieces of fat on the edges, those become so delicious when this is done and they're softened. So I'm going to turn this down. And we're going to cook this about 2 hours, just like it is in this old Maglite. And we'll just gradually move it down. See how it's bubbling a little bit? I'll let it bubble, and we'll get the lid on it in a minute. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Chili Verde. All right, we're going to let, like I said, we're going to let this cook. Just simmer down. I'm going to gradually move it down. We're just on simmer, and we're going to simmer this down for a couple of hours. I'll come back, actually about an hour and a half or so, and I'll come back and I'm going to add some of the Anaheim chilies in, and we're going to put some golden potatoes in. So let me cover her up, got her down low, and we'll just let her simmer. Oh, moly. These now they've been steamed. That peel on it just comes right off of there. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that. Another one. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, let's get these green chilies chopped a little bit. One more piece of shell on there. Put some green chilies in. And we'll just let those cook down. A couple of bay leaves. You know, a little flavor there. And that's it. We're good for another hour or so. We'll add the potatoes and we're done. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Chili Verde. All righty. Let's see where we're at here so far. Okay. I have some golden potatoes. They're just cut up just small little pieces of potatoes. Actually 3 or 4 little golden potatoes in there. And this is a couple tablespoons of cilantro, chopped cilantro. So okay. Put that down into our stew. That's nice. That cilantro is going to be delicious in there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. We'll give it until the potatoes are soft. It's ready to eat. Chili Verde. Easy peasy. All righty. We got our green chili or chili verde done, and I cooked some rice. It's traditionally eaten on a Mexican plate with some Spanish rice and refried beans on the side. Today I'm gonna eat this over white rice. Peel me a couple more chilies. Let's see here. One little piece of peel. There you go. All right, let's look at our chili verde. Holy moly. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Just delicious looking pork and potatoes. Pork stew. Wow. So I told you earlier today that when we started this, that this was one of my absolute favorite foods. And it's the sauce and the gravy and the flavor just comes together. Makes it delicious, absolutely delicious. Chili Verde, green chili stew.